Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Tasty. So guys, for the new subscribers, welcome, and for the returning subscribers, you're welcome back to my channel. And yeah, we're road to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, please, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, we're gonna be doing a fridge restock. Yep, like we are doing our first shopping in our new house. So like we had no much food to put in the fridge because yeah, I don't know. Like we didn't have much, but the fridge is kind of empty, I can say. So I had to go do some shopping and I come restock my fridge because like I had nothing left. I was hungry, and also we need to restock our pantry. Like it's literally empty. So let me show you how it's looking before. Then I'll show you how it's looking after. I didn't do a lot of shopping. I just bought some few things which I'm gonna be needing, or the things that I felt I needed most to use before I find money and buy more. So guys, let me show you how my pantry is looking and my fridge too. Then we is it what? We do a shopping haul first because the shopping is here. Then we restock. Let's get into the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
So guys, this is how my fridge is looking like. Nilikuwa tu na maji, some sweet bread, and yesterday I had done some groceries. So nilikuwa na shopping ya nyanya, some fruits, everything. Yeah, so like I had literally nothing. Yani nothing in my fridge. Also the freezer, it's like empty. So like nilikuwa tu na waste to my fridge and it's just empty. So let me show you how my pantry is looking like. So here I have some few foodstuffs. Hizi tu ni unga zile common za kupika, some snacks, some coffee, some rice nilikuwa nimebuy yesterday. I wanted to cook it but I did not like it at all. So guys, hizo tu ndo foodstuffs yenye ziko available here. I have some spices which I think like I didn't have to restock any of them. And yep, nothing more. Like that's the only place where I keep my foodstuffs. And hapa naikaga like my potatoes. Hizi tu ni onions, cabbages, and malenge. Yesterday I had gone to the market to do that shopping. So the only thing I was remaining with maybe ni stuffs za supermarket which I've already bought. Guys, so stuff nilikuwa nimebakisha tu kununua ni supermarket only and I already have bought. So let me show you what I got. Guys, the first thing that I bought, Minute Maid in our apple. I love Minute Maid for apple. I don't know why, but I love it so much. Two Dalamere, like this is the yogurt that I take most of the time. Guys, I think I have to switch off the lights. Naona ni kazi inaanza kuchoma, but two Dalameres and eggs, 15 eggs of them. See if I have to buy so many eggs because like right now I'm trying as much as possible not to eat a lot because like flat tummy, y'all. My tummy. We have to mind the tummy, like it doesn't have to come back. So guys, the next thing, like most of the things I'm gonna start with, there first of all toiletries, then we move on to food stuff. So I bought this air refreshener just to put in the washroom because the other ones were finished. I bought this morning fresh paste for washing the dishes. Downy. I'm using Star Soft. So this Downy that I bought, it's like for washing the curtains. Nataka kuosha every curtain and everything and bed sheets because after moving zilikuwa na vumbi, so like they have to be washed, and nataka Star Soft ya mtoto isitumike. So like I bought this one for cleaning the curtains and leaving them smelling good. And these are air refreshener blocks. One I got, I think 2 of them. Yeah, hizi nazekaga kwa wardrobe. They smell so good when you put them inside the wardrobes. Zinakaga hivi, so you just put them inside, they're gonna be smelling. Hiyo harufu poa imekuwa kwa wardrobe yako. So like yeah, I bought my babies naitwaje petroleum jelly for the bamba mkumfunga diaper. I don't think so. Let's move on to the, no, we have more. Yeah, I bought some wet wipes, some sanitary pads for me. I use mole pad, some panty liners. Guys, let me try to, acha nizime stima nione kama itaacha kuchoma. Yani hizi vitu zimechanganyika, so don't mind the way I'm showing. In is still wool. And I came across this thing, like I love it. It was looking so nice. It's a collection of 2 sponge and scrubber and this thing. I just like them. I don't know. I just saw them looking cute. This one for washing the dishes, like this. And it has a replacement if you shall make ingine. And a sponge ya kuosha vyombo. And it's looking so nice, you see. And there are two of them, and they are quite affordable, so I just decided like I take them. Next I took Rico cubes, of course, for skuma wiki. It just me and Nikki, like my baby right now, she's obsessed with juice, so I had to buy for her this Del Monte. For pineapple, she's drinking these things like crazy. I had another tomato paste, so I had to add some small one. Of course, water, more water, green cakes, apple, another juice for her, and these cakes. This sponge cake, Nikki loves eating them too. Sijui anazipenda kwa nini. Saucy for beef. Nyama bites. Smokies. Another juice for Nikki. More ring cakes. Like, let me just tell you guys, like, msisema I buy a lot of junkies. Like, Nikki anapenda ring cakes so much. So whenever I go to the supermarket, I can't leave these things. She loves them so much. So I just usually take so many of them. And potato chips. 2 energy drinks. This is my conditioner for my hair. I want to, nataka kubomoa hizi nywele. You see how bad they look. So this is my conditioner. It's ilikuwa imeisha, so I had to replace it. And tropical juice. I don't take soda in my house anymore. The next thing is this lotion for Imperial Leather. It had an offer. You buy this, you get this one free. So I love Imperial Leather, so I had to jump onto the offer. More sanitary pads. These are tea biscuits. I love them so much. saucy, sponge cake, more sponge cake, chewing gums, cooking oil, and noodles. Another chewing gum, sugar 1 kg. Like sijana sukari mingi because I have more sugar in my pantry. Rice 2 kg. I still have more rice, so I just added some small quantities because I have more remaining. Of course, Raha Premium 2 kgs. I have more remaining, and chewing gums more. I love just eating chewing gums. I don't know why. And a box of milk. Another thing I bought, guys, it's this diaper. Nilikuwa nishafungwa nikatoa 2 pieces ya kufunga mtoto. So guys, where diaper, they're so expensive, but I bought this one too. Yeah, guys. After I didn't buy a lot of things because most of the things that I bought are maybe snacks. Hizo hapa ni snacks and adding some small quantities of food like vitu za maana zenye tu ni unga, sukari, mchele na mafuta. Hakuna kitu kingine, hizi zingine tu ni snacks. So guys, hakuna kitu more I have bought. So let's arrange now our fridge and yep. So guys, I'm not gonna be like cleaning these things with water. I just gonna be spraying them and I put them inside the fridge. So I'm gonna be using this cleaner to clean them.
Every day of my life.
So guys, I'm already done arranging the fridge. Let me show you how it's looking. So guys, this is how the fridge is looking after arranging.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me.
So guys, we are in our pantry. Let me start arranging it. Yeah.
Yetu sasa ndo inabamba mama.
Yetu sasa ndo inabamba daddy.
The way you make me feel. the love, what the love, what the love. You're my forever. Didn't need to fall in love, mean to fall in love, me. Midnight cool, need to fall in love, need to fall in love. You're my forever. Fall in love, fall in love, fall in love. Midnight cool, every day of my life. Anazungukia maisha yangu Yesu. Ananipamba baba. Anazungukia baba. Anazungukia maisha yangu Yesu. Whoa.
So guys, we're finally done with the pantry. Let me show you how it's looking.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say
So guys, we are done with the pantry, the fridge, and now we have to organize our toiletries in there.
every day of my life. Anazungukia maisha yangu Yesu. Ananipamba baba. Anazungukia baba. Anazungukia maisha yangu Yesu.
Guys, I'm finally done arranging my toiletries. Let me show you how the place is looking like. Hapa sijasha stima, so don't mind the darkness. So here is where the sink is, and right bottom of it I have this drawer. So this is where I decided to be arranging my toiletries, the ones which I'm not using. Like hizi ni vitu zenye situmii sai, they are just like extra for using later because I have other things that I'm using currently, and when they are finished, this is where I take some extra stock. So guys, that's how I have arranged it, and it's looking nice. And I just remembered, like, my hand wash is almost finishing. I didn't buy. I hope this is gonna last me before I go to the supermarket, maybe on weekends. Yeah guys, so guys, that's all we had on this video. I don't think we have much. Joy Meaka, like, yo, this house is so beautiful and so bright. So, like, I don't need more light right now to shoot. So, guys, my shopping, it was quite long because I was so fucking shocked, guys. I was so shocked. Like, that small shopping, it costed a lot. Yo, economy, whew, if you don't work hard, I don't know where we're gonna survive. So, guys, that's all we had on this video, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Nikki hayuko kwa hii video because she's sleeping. So finally I did a peaceful video without her. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.